Good morning, grade threes. We're back again for another interactive lesson today. Thank you for joining us. Today's lesson, we're going to be learning a little bit about a kenning poem. Kenning, K-E-N-N-I-N-G. A kenning poem, and a kenning poem is a little bit different. I want you to listen to my example of a kenning poem. A kenning poem uses a noun and a verb in a phrase, line after line. Okay, so I want you to listen to my poem and see if you can figure out what I'm talking about in my poem. Are you ready? Here's an example of a kenning poem. Color, watching. Controller, controlling. Movie, making. Show, binging. Size, changing. Fun, having. That is an example of a kenning poem. Now I wonder, what was I talking about there? What was the subject of my kenning poem today? Color watching, show binging, size aha! I think you know. If you were thinking TV, you're right. That was my topic. So kenning poems are really fun because they tell us a story about something. And sometimes we have to use our brains to really figure it out, kind of like a riddle. So we have one more kenning poem to show you today before you move on. And this one is going to be allocated to you in your, there we go. It's going to be allocated to you in your Active Learn. So let's have a look at the poem on the right called What on Earth? And this is kenning poem number 2. We're not going to focus on kenning poem number 1 today, not the red one. We're looking at kenning poem number 2 called What on Earth? Remember, let's try and think about what this poem is. Are you ready? Kenning poem number 2. Shapeshifter, shiplifter, beach crasher, cliff basher, sin washer, loo flusher, world wider, firefighter, life taker, life saver, make a cuppa, washer upper, store in tower, hydro power, April shower, feed a flower. I can be ice, or steam, or snow. But just for now, I'm H2O. And that's your kenning poem for today, boys and girls. Thank you very much. Let's think about what that poem means. What on earth? Follow your instructions in your class story. Talk to you soon.